So I'm back with Westcoast, bringing you another episode of Connected, your one-stop shop for all things business tech. I'm Lucy Hedges, and today we're going to be diving into a tech service that's changing the game for businesses of all sizes. Now, a lot of companies struggle with their budgets when it comes to getting set up with all the necessary tech. The breadth of hardware and software can be difficult to navigate. It can feel like a mental minefield, and having to outlay for those necessary upfront costs can prohibit businesses getting the setup that they actually need. But of course, that's not the only solution. Westcoast DaaS, or Device as a Service, to give it its full name, allows its users to avoid that terrifying one-off payment, and instead means paying a monthly fee to equip their businesses with all the devices and services they need. It also offers complete customization of every subscription, so that means it's easy to add any extra accessories, software, and services. This also means you or your customers are able to create a solution that's exactly right, whatever your requirements. Now, we've got Nathan from Westcoast here to chat us through why you or your customers should think about making the jump to DaaS. So Nathan, hello, welcome. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you. Thank you for having me.
So we're talking Westcoast DaaS. What are the key benefits of the service?
So Westcoast DaaS essentially allows businesses to get the most out of their budgets. There's no terrifying one-off cost. Instead, you're paying a monthly bill for that exact solution that you need. And it's not just the hardware. That's the beauty of it, that it's fully customizable. So you can add accessories, software, services, all into the equation and tailor your subscription to exactly that meet your needs. And that's not just limited to Westcoast accessories either, so you can include your own additional services too. So it's as flexible as you want it to be.
So talk to me about how DaaS is great for technology.
Yeah, so one of the best things around DaaS is that it makes having the latest technology a whole lot more affordable and simple for customers of all kinds, especially for smaller businesses who don't have the budget for those massive outlays. This is where the flexibility really comes into play. You can tailor refresh cycles to match your customers' specific needs. So if they always like to have the latest kit, that's more feasible. You can also easily scale your subscription up or down, and as when your requirements change. So it's really cost-effective full IT solution, which means customers can get the best tech for them at a much more affordable rate.
Mm-hmm. And what makes Westcoast DaaS stand out from similar services? What differentiates it from the competition?
Yeah, so for starters, there's no size limit on orders. So it really doesn't matter how big or small the business is. We've also got our own Westcoast DaaS portal that's shaped by the users themselves, which makes the whole process super simple. You can make your own white label quotes in there. You've got access to supported pricing options and pre-made bundles, which you can take to market and market them out as and how you want. It really does make the whole process as easy as it can be.
All right, Nathan. Well, on that note, I want to say thank you so much for that really fascinating insight into Westcoast DaaS. I think it's fair to say it's a really exciting time for businesses at the moment.
No worries. Thank you for having me.
All right, take care. To switch up how your customers equip their business with all the right tech, Westcoast DaaS is an excellent solution that will help all businesses get more out of their budget and streamline the entire process. Well, that's all for this time, but don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode. We'll see you next time.